Hello everyone, myself Pallavi Patil from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. In last video we saw the unit 2, that is GPRS and mobile data communication. In this video we will learn the unit 3, that is wireless application protocol and 3G mobile service. Let's see the first. What are the outcomes of this video? The learner will be able to understand what is web architecture, web programming model, advantage and disadvantage of web, and last one is WML, that is wireless markup language. Let's see the first. What is web? Web stand for the wireless application protocol. This dictionary definition of this term is follow. Wireless is lacking or not requiring a wire for pertaining to radio transmission. Application, a computer program or piece of computer software that is designed to a specific task. Protocol. Protocol is a set of technical rules about how information should be transmitted and received using computer. Web is a set of rules is governing the transmission and reception of the data by computer application on or via wireless device like a mobile phone. Web allow wireless device to view specifically designed page from internet using only plain text and very simple black and white picture. Web, that is wireless application protocol, is universal open standard development by the web form to provide mobile user of wireless phone and other wireless terminal. Wireless, that is a wireless application, is a standard represent to first successful broadly environment to deliver the information, data, service, both the enterprise and consumer user over wireless network. That is a web. The next, the next is a wireless architecture, web architecture. That is a wireless application protocol architecture. It is provide scalable and extensible environment for the application development of mobile. This is achieving using layer design or protocol stack. The layer of OSI model. We are using the layer of the OSI model. Each layer is accessible by the layer have well by other service and application through set of well-defined interface. The different layers like web protocol, like a web protocol stack is divided into 5 layers: application layer, session layer, transaction layer, security layer, and transport layer. The first is a application layer. In application layer, we're using web, that is a wireless application environment. The web, the web wireless application environment like a web. Where is web? Hmm. The first layer is a wireless application. The web is a unmost uppermost layer in the web stack. Is the uppermost layer in web stack. Is general purpose environment is based on is a combination of www and mobile telephone technology. The primary objective is achieving the environment that allow the operator and service provide build application that can reach the wide variety of the application. The next, the next is say a session layer, that is a wireless session protocol. Wireless session protocol. This provide reliable organized exchange content between client and server. The core WSP design binary form, that HTTP. All the method defined HTTP are supported. The next, Transaction layer. In transaction layer, we are using wireless transaction protocol. This is a wireless transaction protocol. Wireless transaction protocol is defined as lightweight transaction oriented protocol is suitable for the implementation in thin client. Each transaction has a unique identifier, acknowledgement, duplicate, remove, and retransmission the enable user to the confirm every received message. And WTP has no security mechanism. The next the next is a security layer, that is wireless transport layer security. This one, wireless transport layer security. This layer is security protocol. This is based on industrial standard transport layer security. It is a provide transport layer security between web client and web gateway or proxy. The goal of the wireless transport layer security, data integrity, privacy, authentication, the denial of service protection. Next, transport layer, that is a wireless datagram protocol. Wireless datagram protocol. This layer is provide application addressing by port number, optional segmentation, and reassemble option error dictation. It is supports simultaneously communication instance from the higher layer over the single underlying beer service. The, this layer is a function is directly on the beer based on specific characteristics on the GSM. This is the architecture of the web. The next, web programming model. The web programming model, similarly with the WW model, standard is a component of web programming model and functionality web proxies describing the web. The web is a set of protocol that allow wireless device like a handheld call cell phone access internet but has programming model similar to the WW. Next, working of the web programming model. This is a working of the web programming model. The user select option on the mobile device and that has the URL with the wireless markup language. The phone well, content assigned to it, okay. The phone send the URL request via phone network to web gateway using binary encode web protocol. The gateway translate with web request into the conventional, that is a HTTP request to specify URL and send on the internet. The appropriate web server pick up the HTTP request. The server process the request just as it will be other request. If the URL refer to static WML file, the server deliver it. If CGI script it requests its process and then content return to usual. The web server add HTTP header to the WML content and return it the gateway. The WAM gateway compile the WML into binary form. The gateway then send the WML response back to the phone. The phone receive the WML via web protocol. The macro browser process WML and display the content of the screen. Is the working of the web programming model. The next, advantage and disadvantage of the web. Advantage of the web is implement near to the internet model. Most modern mobile telephone devices support web real-time send and receive the data. Multi-form also is a functionality, multi-form functionality, no hardware. And disadvantage of the web, low speed, low security, no not very familiar to user, form and hard design. Third party is included. The next, The wireless markup language. The wireless markup language is designed and describe the content or format of the presenting data on device with limited bandwidth, limited screen size, and limited user input capability. You must be using HTML language to develop your web-based application. Some way, the wireless markup language is used authoring the web service. So its content to HTML and WML is designed to fit small handheld device. Wireless markup language is a display used on two line screen found in the some small device as well as a large screen found in a smartphone. It is used to translate HTML code web page into the WML with content and format suitable for the wireless device. Most of the information, especially specify the graphical and animation, must be in there. The next, the different features of the wireless markup language. The first is a text and image support. The text and image support is a formatting and layout command are provided for the text and limited image capability. The next is a text card and organization metaphor. The wireless markup language is a document are subdivided into the small, well-defined unit of user interaction called as a card. The next one is a support for the navigation among card and decks. The wireless markup language can be include a provision for the event handling, which is used to navigation or executing the script in an HTML-based web browser. A user navigation by the clicking on link. These are the feature of the wireless markup language. The next, this is a unit 3, part 1, that is a wireless markup language and wireless application protocol. Thank you, dear student. So, unit 3, part 1, PPDs. The remaining part of unit 3 we will see in a next lecture. Student, you have any doubt regarding this video, this session, note down your queries. We will solve your doubt and query in upcoming online session. Thank you.